Hi, I'm Michael Kajola. I'm from Poland, so I'm really happy that I'm here. Um, it was our first tournament in this season, 2015. It's really important season for us. It's Olympic qualification, so we all focus on this goal. And how our previous coach says, the most important thing is to win the first match, and we did it, so we are happy. Thank you, Spiros, for teaching us. And this venue is really nice. I'm first time in my life here in Vilna, so it's really nice here. I really invite you here. It's really nice to see this city. And kisses for my fiance and for my kid.